What is up, everybody? Patrick Hogan here. Today I am here with another video, a pack opening. Now I have three different screens right now. This screen, my Xbox screen, and also my little iPod. All opening to the season packs because there's I'm Out of the Matches out, and there is Footwatch Team of the Season. So obviously we are gonna open some. I have my Xbox controller. Everything's over, but I'm gonna try and open packs mainly on here. So there's I've gotten two main big ones, but not big, really big team of the seasons. I have not gotten a big I'm Out of the Match yet. I don't know what my highest rated is, but it's probably not even over 82. I did get Milik, and I'm mainly opening packs on here now. But yeah, all of the team of the seasons are mostly over. They're either 1 million coins or they're over it, so that's the good thing. I thought I told this pack to open. It's waiting for Footwatch stuff. I've waited enough for this stuff. Come on. Oh, alright. I'm back. Sorry. It's just, it takes so long to load. Alright. Okay, we get Ozil. It's like people who I really agree that there's a 93 Bale. There's a 97 rated Bale that's on the Footwatch team season. So yeah, I'm gonna put that Xbox controller down. If I get anybody good, I'll show. But so far, I'm not getting anybody good on any of the three packs. These just so I know when the lightning round comes, that I know exactly when to do it. And oh my god, no! I gotta move my computer over. So yeah, not getting anybody, and while we're waiting for it to load. So yeah, sorry I'm all messed up. It's just these packs, if they have something good in them, I want something good. I got 94 rated Iniesta, he's worth 500k for 94 rated team of the season. That's not even in actual FIFA. That's ridiculous for that. But then I have 93 rated Arturo Vidal that I got this week too. He's worth 2 million, and then who's worth? I got 88 rated Aguero. There is an 89 rated Gundogan that's worth 1 million. So he is Iniesta is worth half of what 89 Gundogan is. So that's just weird. But so far I have not gotten any. What the? I haven't gotten any special cards on any of the platforms yet. Alright, time to focus mainly on this. Nothing else. Okay, come on. Oh, okay, we got my first one. We got Schmeichel. Goalie for Leicester. And we get an oh, he's worth 2 million coins. Yeah, opened. You're gonna see at least 3 pack openings today on these guys. 96 rated Royce. He is worth 2 million. He's now in my club. And we have 800k profit. This is a good day. He is in the starting 11. Yes, okay, yeah, he is. So that is a good player to get, especially considering there's a 97 Messi in packs. If we can get that good of pack luck, we must be able to get some kind of high-rated. Oh, we just got it, but not the good kind. All right, come on. That's a bright screen. Such a mess. All right, yeah. High for him for that 2 million coins. That's just amazing. Like, I had no idea that I'd get a 96 rated, and he is the left wing for the starting 11 in that squad, and he is my best. But he's my most best player I've had this year, and it's in a pack. That was just sick. Can we pull any more? Can we catch a lightning round on all 3 platforms? Alright, one of these packs is still loading. We should have gotten a team of the season, not from Footwatch, but somewhere else. I predicted he'd get a season, but he didn't. So, yeah. And I got him, so that's the cool part. These packs are loading really nice. Maybe that's it. Lucky Wi-Fi. Oh! Already got him, and we're still on 500k profit. Are you kidding me? We actually profit from that Royce. Come on. We're on 482k profit. Can we make it even more? If we can get another person worth like 2 million coins, we'll have like 2.4 million profit, and then I'd end it on that pack. How about the next special card we get on here, I will end it on, because I'm getting not a lot on others. So yeah, our profit is slowly going down. We need some kind of something to warm our spirits. Dang. So yeah, guys, shout out to one of my friends. His channel is Canadian Pig. Go check him out. He makes awesome videos. He told me to give him a shout out. I'm like, alright. So yeah, go check him out. His channel's full of really cool videos. And yeah, this pack opening is tense. You have no idea. Okay, I said I'd end it on 1, and we also have this he's an man of the match. So I did say I'd end it. How about an outro pack? So yeah, if you did like this video, please subscribe. I know it was all over the place, but you know, when you have 3 screens all doing the same thing, it's kind of weird. So yeah, if you did like this video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.